So today at North High, we are doing the unveil of our new logo as we officially become the North High RedHawks. Last fall, our community voted for us to be the RedHawks, and we need a new logo to help symbolize that and help identify and represent us as a school.
North High. Rise, ascend, soar.
The design was made by Gardner Designs. The owner of the company is an alum. He did a great job of designing and taking from his experiences as well as the feedback that we gave him to make a logo that will push us towards the future.
When the students selected RedHawks, I think that it was very magical, because as we started taking a look at the school, we realized that up on top of the tower, this kind of majestic tower, that there are these sculpted raptors, these 16 birds that are up there, and they were designed by Bruce Moore, a Wichita native that sculpted them back in 1928 when the school was built. So they've been up there ever since, and in taking a look at them, they're just so beautifully designed, and it gave us the ability to kind of draw from that design and create the logo that we did.
As a football and track coach, one of the big things is having a representation that is strong and that my community and my kids can rally behind. As an alum, I do identify with the logos that are identified with this school, and the students that are here now will now have an image that they can identify with, just like I did.
We want something that reflects the aesthetic of the school and that reflects the heritage and speaks a little Native American, speaks a little bit Hispanic, speaks a little bit, Middle America. And I think that when we discovered those birds up on top of the tower, and we said, these things have been here since 1928. There's always been 16 RedHawks that have been soaring over the top of this school, kind of protecting it. So what a perfect mascot. And that epiphany of seeing those up there became the foundation of the design that we did. We design logos from Spare Air Systems to Kroger's for the NFL and Google. I mean, we see our logos all the time. But I will tell you, when we take a look at this logo associated with a product that means so much to me and was such a part of my history, it's probably one of the best feelings ever.
Go RedHawks.